In this video, I'll guide you through how to send a test email in Brevo. Whether you're fine-tuning a new campaign or just ensuring everything looks perfect before going live, sending a test email is a crucial step. Let's get started by heading over to brevo.com. Once you're on Brevo's homepage, look for the marketing option. This is your hub for all things related to email campaigns, so go ahead and click on it. Now, within the marketing section, you'll see an option for campaigns. Click on that, and it will take you to a list of all your active and draft campaigns. Now that you're in the campaigns section, browse through your list to find the specific campaign you want to test. Once you've located it, you'll notice an edit icon next to the campaign title. Click this icon to enter the editing mode for that campaign. This is where you can fine-tune your campaign details and prepare it for testing. In the editing mode, you'll need to set up a few essential details before sending out your test email. First, make sure to add a sender. This is the email address from which your test email will appear to be sent. Next, select your recipient. This could be your own email address or that of a colleague who can review the test email. Enter a compelling subject line that will grab attention and give a preview of your email content. Once these details are in place, you can start designing your email. Customize the content and layout to match your brand's style and messaging. After you've set everything up, it's time to preview your email. Look for the preview and test option in the editing interface and click on it. This feature allows you to see exactly how your email will appear in your recipient's inbox, giving you a chance to spot any errors or adjustments needed. Now, with the preview window open, you'll find the option to Send Test Email. Click on this button, and a new prompt will appear asking you to specify the recipient for the test email. Enter the email address where you'd like the test email to be sent. It's often helpful to send it to a different email service than the one you're using to create it, just to see how it renders in different inboxes. Once you've entered the recipient's email address, you're almost done. Simply click the Send button to dispatch your test email. It should arrive in the specified inbox shortly, allowing you to review how everything looks and functions from a recipient's perspective. And that's it. You've successfully sent a test email in Brevo. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your email campaigns are polished and ready to go before hitting send to your entire audience. Remember, testing is a vital part of email marketing, helping you catch any last-minute issues and optimizing for the best possible engagement. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.